Hi friends, festivals or celebrations in India are generally accompanied with the sweet dish preparations. One such sweet dish which is popular in Mangalore is Payasa or Kheer prepared with ChannaDal, MoongDal and Saabudana. That is Bengal gram, yellow split gram and sago. In this video, I am going to show you a simple recipe to prepare the yummy ChannaDal, MoongDal and Saabudana Kheer in the cooker. Before checking the recipe, if you are new to the channel, do click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Let's check the recipe now. Here I have taken 1 cup chana dal, half cup moong dal, 1 cup sabudana, 2 cup of jaggery and 1 grated coconut. First let's prepare the coconut milk. For that I have ground the grated coconut by adding 1 glass of water. To this paste I have added 1 more glass of water and strained using a strainer or use a clean cloth. With this, I have extracted the thick coconut milk or dhani milk. Let's keep it aside for later use. Repeat the process using the same coconut shreds, adding 2 glasses of water, blending and straining to extract the thin coconut milk. Add this thin coconut milk to the cooker, followed with clean moong dal, chana dal and sabudana. To this add 2 more glasses of water so that in total we have 4 glasses of water in the cooker. Close the cooker lid with weight and cook for 2 whistles. The dals and sabudana is cooked now. Keep the cooker again on flame and add the previously extracted thick coconut milk. Followed by jaggery, adjust the quantity based on taste preference. Check and add salt if required. Here I am adding 1/4 tablespoon of salt. Keep mixing in between so that nothing gets stuck at the bottom. Let us prep the cardamom and dry fruits to be added. I have peeled 10 to 12 cardamom and crushed into a fine powder. And in a pan, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add the cashew, fry them and remove once fried. Then I am adding the raisins to the remaining ghee and frying them. Now our kheer is nicely boiled. To this add the cardamom powder and mix well, followed by the fried dry fruits and remove from flame. Now our tasty chana dal, moong dal and sabudana paisa is ready. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.